What if I told you that women give you three secret signals the moment desire sparks inside them, and almost every man misses them? These aren't obvious signs you can just guess. They're quiet, almost invisible, and yet they reveal everything. Stay with me, because by the time I show you the third one, you'll see why men fail to notice it right in front of their eyes, and how noticing it can completely change the way women respond to you. Welcome to Empowered Heart. Today, we're uncovering the three subtle signs a woman gives when desire sparks inside her. Signs most men completely miss. If you're ready to understand her language and see attraction clearly, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Empowered Heart for more insights like this. Today I'm going to share the three clearest signs a woman gives when desire is already alive inside her. But stay with me until the third one, because that signal happens right in front of everyone, yet almost no man notices it in time. Before we get into the signs, I need to say something important. If you've missed moments like this before, it's not because you're slow, insecure, or lacking charm. The truth is, nobody ever taught you the language of female desire. And that language is very different from the male one. A man feels desire and acts straight away. A woman feels desire and she tests. She sets the scene and she opens doors, but rarely steps through them alone. She waits to see if you will step through with her. Evolutionary psychology explains this clearly. For thousands of years, women had to be sure before giving themselves, not because they were picky, but for survival. That instinct is still deep in the female subconscious today. So when she shows desire, it's never loud, it's subtle. These three signs are exactly those quiet signals. The first sign is that she starts touching you without real reason. This isn't just a casual touch. Notice the way she touches you. She doesn't need to brush your arm to tell a story or give a light nudge at a joke, but she does it anyway, often without realizing it consciously. Neuroscience calls this initiation contact. When a woman's desire is active, her nervous system tries to confirm the physical presence of the person she's drawn to. Touch becomes a way of saying, I want to be closer to you. In real life, you'll notice it in small ways, how she brushes your arm, a playful nudge, or just finding excuses to touch you. It's subtle, but it's a clear signal that her desire is there and she's waiting to see if you respond. She touches you and doesn't pull her hand away right away. She lets the contact linger a little longer than necessary. That extra moment says a lot. It's her body speaking before she even uses words. If this is already making sense to you, go ahead and hit that like button now. It really helps me continue sharing this kind of knowledge on the channel for free. The second sign is in the way she looks at you. We all know about looking with interest, but most men don't know what to watch for. When a woman feels desire, her pupils get slightly bigger without her even realizing it. She also holds eye contact longer than normal. And when she looks away, it's usually down, not sideways. This little downward glance is a subtle sign of openness and receptiveness that psychologists have studied for years. You'll notice a pattern. She looks at you, gives a small smile, glances down, and then looks back at you. It's almost like she's silently saying, I notice you, and I like what I see. Now, the third sign is the one most men completely miss. She starts making privacy where there wasn't any before. For example, if you're in a group or crowded place, she finds a way to focus your conversation, to create a little bubble for just the two of you. She might suggest grabbing a drink together. She might call you over to show you something in a corner. She could lower her voice like she's about to share a secret. None of this is by chance. It's all intentional. Psychology shows that before a woman opens up physically, she first needs to feel emotional and personal safety. She's testing to see if you'll enter that space with her and if you'll understand her invitation. If you pick up on it and respond with confidence and calm presence, the next step will happen naturally. Before you leave, remember one thing. You didn't miss those moments because you weren't good enough. You missed them because you didn't know the rules of the game. Now you know 3 of those rules, and when you use them, everything changes. Understanding and applying this knowledge makes all the difference. When a woman feels desire, it's rarely loud or obvious. Unlike men, who tend to act directly on attraction, women communicate their interest subtly. It's in the little touches, the glances, the way they create space to connect. These are all unconscious signals, shaped by thousands of years of evolution. Women are wired to make sure it's safe and worthwhile before fully opening up. That doesn't mean they aren't interested. It means they are cautious, testing to see if you match their energy and presence. Touch is one of the clearest ways a woman expresses interest. It can start as small, seemingly casual gestures, a brush of the hand, a playful nudge, or lingering just a second longer than normal. That pause is her body quietly saying she wants to feel closer. She wants to see if you notice and respond. It's not something she consciously plans, but it's consistent when desire is present. Men often overlook it because they expect big, obvious signs, but these small moments are full of meaning. Her eyes also tell a story. When she's interested, her gaze changes subtly. Pupils dilate slightly, she maintains eye contact longer, and her glances often go downward for a brief moment. This downward look is not avoidance. It's a sign of receptiveness and openness, a tiny signal that she's noticing you and is curious about you. Combined with small smiles or playful looks, it creates a rhythm, almost like she's inviting you to step closer, emotionally and mentally, before physically. Then there's the way she creates private moments. Even in social settings, she might guide the conversation so it's just the 2 of you, lower her voice, or call you over for something that seems casual. These actions are her way of testing the waters, seeing if you're present, confident, and able to step into her space respectfully. If you respond well, she feels safe, and the connection deepens naturally. The key is to stay calm, attentive, and confident without overthinking. Understanding these signs is powerful because it shifts your perspective from guessing to noticing. You begin to see desire in ways you might have missed before, and you understand that these moments are invitations, not challenges. Once you recognize them, you can respond in a way that makes her feel seen and appreciated. It's about matching her energy and presence rather than forcing anything. Desire isn't about rushing. It's about noticing, respecting, and connecting. When you start applying this understanding, interactions change. You stop questioning whether you're good enough or whether she's interested. You see the signs, you respond confidently, and you create a space where mutual interest can grow naturally. The more you notice these subtle cues, the easier it becomes to navigate attraction and build genuine chemistry without pressure. It's not about tricks or manipulation. It's about awareness and understanding the quiet language of desire. When you understand these subtle signals, it changes the whole approach to attraction. A woman's touches, glances, and private gestures are all invitations to connect, but they're also tests. She wants to see if you're present, confident, and attentive enough to respond correctly. It's not about impressing her with words or actions. It's about showing that you notice her cues and can meet her energy. Even small things, like maintaining eye contact when she glances at you, or responding naturally to her touch, communicate that you're aware, comfortable, and interested in her on the same wavelength. The beauty of these signals is that they're often unconscious. She doesn't plan them. They just happen because her body and mind are reacting to attraction. That's why so many men miss them. They're looking for loud, obvious signs instead of quiet, natural expressions. Learning to recognize these whispers of desire gives you a huge advantage. You start seeing the openings before she even speaks them aloud, and you can respond in a way that feels natural and confident without overthinking or forcing anything. It's also important to understand timing. Women are careful and deliberate with their signals because trust and safety are involved. She's essentially asking, are you someone I can let in? If you respond with calm confidence, the interaction grows naturally. If you're reactive, pushy, or unaware, the opportunity can pass without you even noticing. That's why reading the subtle language of desire is more important than memorizing lines or tricks. It's about presence, observation, and timing. Another thing to notice is her energy in the environment. When she's attracted, she often subtly shifts to create moments with you. She might suggest doing something together, leaning in closer, or making a playful excuse to interact one-on-one. These moments are not accidents. They're intentional, but discreet ways to test the connection. Responding with attention, light humor, and calm confidence makes her feel understood and safe, which naturally strengthens attraction without pressure. Once you get this, your mindset changes. You stop doubting whether she's interested or worrying if you're doing enough. You start noticing patterns and responding appropriately. Touch, gaze, small private gestures, they all become clear signals instead of confusing or mysterious behaviors. This awareness lets you create a real connection rather than guessing or relying on luck. Attraction becomes a dance where you recognize her steps and respond in sync, building chemistry naturally. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video from Empowered Heart. And if this spoke to you, type whisper in the comments. I want to see who's truly tuning in and ready to understand the language of desire.